Hi everyone, this is Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indro. Yesterday, I made a beautiful conversation with the English tutor in Camly. So the tutor is really beautiful and I was very happy to talk with the tutor. So, how was the conversation yesterday? Let's check it out.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I have a reservation coming on in 5 minutes, yes?
So no problem.
So I will okay, I'll have to go in 5 minutes. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Indrajit and I am from India.
Oh, very nice to meet you. My name is Amanda. Amanda.
And
Okay.
from?
So you're practicing for your IELTS, yes? You're practicing for this?
No, I just make a smooth conversation with you.
Okay, sure. Okay, so you can tell me then. Tell me a little bit about yourself. What part of India are you from?
Yeah, I am from east part of India.
Uh-huh.
My state name is West Bengal
Ah, West Bengal. Okay.
and this
Ah,
is Bengali in nation.
okay. Ah,
And I am
okay.
studying technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in my state.
Okay. Ah, and what do you like to do in your spare time? What do you like to do in your spare time?
That time I love painting.
Painting.
Yeah,
Okay. Ah, so you're an artist. An artist? You like to paint pictures?
yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. That's very interesting.
And I
And
watercolor paint.
watercolors. Okay. That's very nice.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
And do you live with your family or do you live by yourself?
I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
with my grandmother.
And your grandmother too. Okay. And do you live in a big city or a small town?
Small town. It is small town.
A
I'm a small town boy.
Okay. And how far are you away from the shops, the amenities? How far uh, do you go for shopping and stuff? How far would you go for shopping?
It is almost half kilometer away.
Okay. Oh, it's not too bad.
Not too, yeah. Not too
Not so bad. Okay. And tell me about schooling. Where did you go to school? What subjects did you like?
yeah. I go to college in during
Hmm.
9 a.m. and
Hmm.
my subject is because electronics oriented. So I love mathematics also as well as
Hmm.
circuit
Okay.
chapter and
Uh-huh.
also electronic devices.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And with that, besides my studying, I
Yes.
I have already told that love to paint and
Ah.
listening to music as well as
Uh-huh.
reading storybooks.
Okay. Okay. And how long did you have to study to become an engineer? How long
It is
did you?
I am third year, so only 1 year left to become graduate.
Okay. Okay.
Very soon I will be graduate.
Oh, that'll be this. I wish you well for that. I wish you very well.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Is
And
it? Is it? Uh-huh. Go on. Carry
yeah,
on.
and what are the things that make you angry?
That make me. But me.
Yeah,
What other thing? What other things that make me angry or happy?
angry as
Happy
well
or
as
angry? Okay. Angry, I suppose maybe injustice.
yeah.
Injustice? Yes. Okay, my reservation is on now.
So it was lovely to meet
But,
you. See you soon.
and very much,
Okay,
yes, definitely.
definitely.
Have a
Bye.
good
Yeah,
evening. Bye bye.
bye.
Bye bye.
Hopefully, you enjoyed the whole conversation. in this video, right? So please like this video and share to your friends, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel Iconic Indro. See you soon in my next video. Bye.